Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Convertible in Alpine White. Alongside the superb exterior colour, this vehicle not only features a fantastic wide array of BMW optional extras, but of course a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and included in that is a brand new set of the 20-inch 795 M style alloys in ferric grey. Also behind those alloys you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this convertible that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2015 15 plate. We've got the lovely angel light and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, as well as being able to see, it's a very clean and tidy example. We've got the BMW gloss black air breathers and satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, thanks to me having the roof down already, you can already see that this has got a very nice contrasting red, coral red Dakota leather, which in this vehicle comes with the electric movement, memory and the heated seats in the front. As you can see there, that's all in great condition. In the rear of the convertible, it matches the coupe for having a 2x2 seat arrangement, folding armrest, and as you can see there, again, that's all in really good condition. It does of course have the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've also got that fantastic sophisticated X-Drive. You can see there, of course, again, part of the Plus pack, you get Harman Kardon. Moving round towards the rear of the car, again, showing you off those brand new alloys. Really look very well against this Alpine White. At the back of the 4 Series convertible here, we've opted to go for the high gloss spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. And of course, being a convertible, often is a talking point is boot space. And you may think it's exactly the same here, as you're not going to have a lot of room. However, thanks to BMW innovative technology, we can use this button here and this will lift the hardtop roof out of its storage tray to give you full room of your boot space, and then we can lift the storage tray open, and in just a second you can see that this has got a very large boot for a convertible. And there you can see that goes all the way to the rear of the seats, alongside being a nice clean and tidy area. Pop that back down and then the roof will simply fold back away into its storage tray, nice and neatly. Very convenient and a really clever bit of technology there. Very simple but yet effective. Round to the driver's side, again you can see that the Alpine White works so nice with all of the additions we've made, alongside again being a very clean and tidy example. Moving forward to go ahead, take a seat inside the car, and in a second I will of course pop the roof up, show you what the vehicle looks like with the roof all the way closed towards the end of the video. Inside this 435D we've of course got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run you through what's on that in just one second. Beginning with activating the roof, which is a really easy thing to do. Simply push this button forward. The roof can be activated at speeds of 15 miles an hour. And of course is a quick operation roof, so should you be at a set of traffic lights and quickly want to put the roof up or down, that can be done so. Covered just over 26,000 miles, so again we've got a really nice low mileage example. Cruise control and speed limiter options on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, along with voice and volume controls. And in just one second we'll get a little reminder and an audible noise to tell us that the roof movement's been completed. So we've got sat nav, we've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with DAB, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including a music collection. External devices is for USB, AUX and Bluetooth inputs. Going back into main menu, of course a vehicle that's only covered 26,000 miles, it's not had to have many services. And as you can see there, down in engine oil, it's not due a next service for 11,000 miles, and there is the service history record from BMW there. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video of, again, another stunning 435D M Sport convertible. And now you can see there, with the roof up or down, they make for a great looking car, and certainly a vehicle you can use every day. For further information, you can of course find all of our contact information in the description, along with a link to our website. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye.